Hello, my name is Shawn and I am running for District Court Judge for the 6th Judicial District. I'm honored to have this opportunity to speak with you here today directly about myself and the importance of this judicial election. But before I do that, I want to take the time to thank PACT-TV and their hardworking staff for this opportunity. I also want to thank you, the viewers, for allowing me to come into your home and speak with you. Now, I've been traveling around the 6th Judicial District for the past 2 months. It includes Carlton, Cook, Lake, and St. Louis County, and people keep coming up to me with the following 3 questions. First of all, what is the 6th Judicial District, and can I vote for this judicial position even though I don't live in Duluth? Second, why you? And third, why is this even important? So I'm going to talk about both of those here briefly. First of all, what is the 6th Judicial District? Well, you heard me mention the counties earlier. They include Carlton, Cook, Lake, and St. Louis. So if you live in any one of those counties, you can vote in this upcoming election on August 13th and again on November 5th. People ask me, well, Shawn, if I live in Hibbing or Ely, why can I vote for the Duluth judge? Yes, you can, because you live in the 6th Judicial District. And it's important that you do vote because there are 16 judges in the district, and together they work on all the matters that appear before court. They get together, they set policy that affects every one of us. And oftentimes, judges will travel from county to cover cases. For example, you'll see a Carlton judge appearing in Duluth. Sometimes you'll see a Duluth judge appearing in Cook. And most importantly, sometimes you might just find yourself in the Duluth area and find yourself in front of a judge for any number of reasons. So that's why it's important for you to vote no matter where you are in the 6th Judicial District. Now, the other question is, why me? Well, judges need to know the law. They call it being learned in the law. And judges handle a wide variety of cases. I've been a lawyer for 27 years, and during that time, I've spent nearly every single day in the courtroom. I'm a trial attorney. I handle criminal cases as a prosecuting attorney and as a defense attorney. Oftentimes, you'll see me start the morning in court standing up for the state representing the people, only to cross the aisle to represent a private criminal defense attorney. It's that type of practice that allows me to see cases from both sides. And that's quite frankly what a judge needs to do. That's also what I do in my civil practice. I look at cases from both sides. My civil practice is very wide and varied, covering all the types of cases that judges see on a day in and day out basis. For example, I'm handling family law cases. I'm handling high conflict custody cases. I'm handling any number of civil cases. And it's that same philosophy of looking at cases from the both sides. They say that you learn by doing. Well, I've immersed myself in the law and in the courtroom for 27 years. That experience will help me on day one. Next, judges need to be able to make decisions. If you can't make a decision, you need to find another line of work. Now, I'm also a hearing officer. A hearing officer is basically a type of judge that's not a judge. I'm hearing cases and evidence and making decisions on municipality type cases or housing cases. And that tells me that I can make the hard decisions. And finally, judges need to have the proper temperament. You need a judge that can treat everybody with respect and dignity no matter what their background. And that's what I do on a daily basis. Now, why is this important? Judges make decisions that directly affect you. Senators, representatives, heck, even governors and presidents don't do that. Judges do. And that's why it's important that you go out and vote. Now, I'm going to suggest something for you on the 13th and again on the 5th of November. The judges are usually on the back of the ballot. Now, this is the most important decision I think that you can make. So turn that ballot over, read the ballot, and start with that important decision first. Elect your judges in the 6th Judicial District. I'm going to encourage you all to go out and vote on August 13th in this primary and again on November 5th. I truly appreciate your time here today. I appreciate anyone that's come up and talked to me during the last couple months. So thank you for your attention and your consideration.